Hello guy! Thank you for watching our video. We are food flavor factory located in China. Our flavor products are widely used in Indonesia's dairy products, meat products, snacks, and other food manufacturing industries. Our team makes continuous efforts to provide customers with high-quality flavor products through laboratory research and development. Our flavors provide Indonesian food manufacturers with powerful tools to produce irresistible, delicious food. Our flavor products can be used in a variety of dairy products, meat products, snacks, and other manufacturing industries, whether cheese, yogurt, ice cream, ham, sausage, cooked jerky, or salty snacks. Our flavors can add delicacy and attractiveness to these foods. We work closely with our customers to help them improve product quality and sales volume. Using our flavor products can help your products become more attractive, better meet the needs of customers, and increase the sales of your products. We are committed to providing excellent quality flavors and making our own contribution to the food manufacturing industry in Indonesia. Thank you for watching.